Sweet potato and lentil shepherd's pie. You guys, this is everything. So what I want to start to tell you is you need to read the recipe. There's gonna be a lot of moving parts. You need to read the recipe, which is linked below. You need to watch the video, get yourself ready, your mise en place, get all your ingredients ready to go before you start cooking. That way you don't have to run around the kitchen like crazy. Also, I made this vegan bread. It's so good. The recipe is on my Patreon, which is linked below. And I was thinking about making a spaghetti squash recipe. Comment below if I should. Okay, so we're gonna start with 2 cups of lentils. We're gonna just rinse them. If they're not organic, maybe sort through and make sure that they're all good to go. Put them in a pot. We're gonna do 2 cups water, 2 cups vegetable stock. We're also gonna add 2 bay leaves and just a little bit of salt, and we're gonna get that to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer and let that go while we're cooking everything else. This is all gonna kind of work out at the same time, which is great. And then in this pot, I've got 4 sweet potatoes, peeled, cubed. I'm putting an extra cup of vegetable stock I had left over in there, and then filling up the rest with water till it covers the top. We're going to put some salt in there and bring those to a boil. And in this pan, we have some oil, an onion, 3 carrots peeled, a couple stalks of celery, all chopped up. And we're going to saute those down again while everything's going together. Then we're going to drain the potatoes. When they're done, we're going to add a little vegan butter. We're going to add my homemade vegan oat milk. If you guys want to know how to make that, let's watch this clip, your fave.
Show me where to go for me to stick a back, no doubt that I dig. She laid me to rest with the white slip skirt, burning with an angel that was caught in the surf. The breath of my heart started with the touching the surf. I died at first on my earth, submersed in her love divers. Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.
Don't forget to use code Midnight Munchies for 10% off. That will be linked below. Okay, so then you have to mash your potatoes. This is how I mash mine because it's super easy. And I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, pepper, garlic powder, parsley. Mix that all together. Then we can move over to our vegetables. Those should be done. We'll add 2 teaspoons of some minced garlic. We'll add 3 teaspoons of Italian blend herbs, a quarter of a cup of some cornstarch. Make sure we mix that all together. Then we'll do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We'll add 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, another cup of vegetable stock. Get that going. Add our lentils that we took the bay leaves out. Don't forget, after we drain them, put that in there. And then we're just going to bring this to a boil. I had to use a bigger pan. Okay, I thought my cast iron was huge and it's not. This also doesn't go into the oven. So I have to also put in a 13x9. I created a lot of dishes for Greg. I like to give the mashed potatoes a little zhuzh after we put them on top. I don't know, it gives it a little extra something. 400 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. And then, oh my God, look at how delicious this is. You guys, I put a little of my homemade bread on the side because why not? So let's take a little bite. Okay, this is my first time making lentils. I'm going to be straight up. I've never made lentils before in my entire life. So we're going to give this a whirl. Also, my fork is pretty cool. And I'm going to tell you, it's delicious. And I'm going in for the second bite. That's right. I already took the first one. Now I'm taking this one. Again, recipes below. Just make it. It's so good and healthy and shit. I love you so much. Subscribe.
Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.